from Etihad Stadium and San Siro Stadium in England and Italy respectively, Manchester City and Inter Milan will be heading to UEFA Champions League in Turkey in the stadium called Atatürk Olympic Stadium. Now, what you must know is the African giant to mash up the opening ceremony before Kevin De Bruyne, Erling Haaland, Romelu Lukaku and Lautaro Martinez have their touchdown in the hotly Champions League final, which will be on the 10th of this month. Which is on Saturday. Now, the main talking point here is Amapiano. Amapiano is a genre of music which was founded by Kabza the Small. According to Kabza the Small, he said, I don't even know how I came up with the genre. I don't know how I introduced the genre. But one thing that it clearly mentions, you don't know how the log drum came about. So the only thing that Kabza the Small brought into Amapiano is the log drum. Amapiano existed in several African cultures, starting from Zulu in South Africa, the Luo of Acholi, Lao, and many other African cultures. If I may give you an example, like Kubu songs of Acholi are mostly Amapiano in nature, which can only add a little bit so that it becomes completely an Amapiano. A reminder of Yoleng song by Don Romeo, which was performed in Keta World Cup. That performance had this actually calabash, this African calabash, which is locked in this kind of shape, used for African traditional rituals, where you shake it. And that is always what makes Amapiano. The and dong dong dong. That is a log drum. So Burna Boy, I'm very sure he's taking Amapiano straight into UEFA Champions League final, and these people are going to enjoy our true African beats, our true African culture. Thank you UEFA Champions League for bringing Burna Boy on board, and thank you Burna Boy for standing as an African giant in the music industry. Now, let's take a look at this. Songs like Boyoko, Chris Brown featuring Alur. Those are the kind of songs of Amapiano which has hit the wave. One thing you must know is, there's no doubt, Amapiano beat is #1 in the world right now. And one thing is, Nigerians are the ones taking it to the heights. Tanzanians are trying it with Kenya, but several African countries are lagging behind, despite some other countries in USA where you see the likes of Rotimi coming with songs like are the ones who are taking over. Among the most prominent Amapiano songs include Mona Lisa, songs like Bokoba by Banaboy, songs like Goya, Mano by that song's called Amano by Amano. You know, this kind of beat. So Africa is getting bigger via music. We are on top of the game, that's no doubt. We are trending. Amapiano has taken over. It is an irresistible thing. I know people cannot deny that fact. The Europeans, people in the United Kingdom, people in the United States, people in China cannot deny that fact. What is nice is nice. We have been buying your music. We have been enjoying your music, hip hop and the rest, R&B and the rest. But now is the time that you also enjoy our music and you sing in our beat also. God bless Africa, and may Africa continue to shine and shine forever. You have been watching the program called This is New Africa on channel called Your Folklore, and you have been with me, Martin Brian. I'm very sure I'm going to see you in the next video if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye.